All right, well, hello everybody. Happy Monday to you. And I just wanted to kind of quickly remind you that it's kind of important that you watch these videos and make sure that you guys take some notes, write down some formulas, and do all that kind of fun stuff because still not quite sure how all of you guys are getting to do all of the homework when only 4 people registered to watch the video last week. So anyway, remember today we're just going to kind of do another day of the area of a circle and the area of the sector. Now, I know that the area of the circle is the really, really easy one. I know this is the one that you guys have all seen. This is one you guys have all done many, many times. The only trick about with this guy here is that you have to remember that you make sure that you have a radius. So remember, it's pi r squared as you put it together. So worst case scenario, again, if you have a circle and you're given a diameter, if the diameter is 10, you'd have to make sure that you remember that the radius then is 5, and then you just do 5 squared, slap a pi next to it. So I had a couple of people with questions about what do you do if you don't have a calculator that keeps things in terms of pi. Well, you would do all of this math here first, and then just put a pi at the end. Okay. Same thing with the sector. Remember, when you're talking about the area of a sector, you're talking about the piece of pizza, if you will, that's created by the radius. So if the radius here is 4, and let's say that this angle is 100 degrees, and we want to figure out the area in here, remember the formula for that was the central angle over 360 times pi r squared. So once again, what you would do is you put your 100 over 360 times 4 squared times pi. Now, if you have the multi-view calculator, you can type this in exactly the way you see it, and it'll give you your answer in terms of pi. If you don't, what you would do is you type in this chunk first, hit enter, and then put the pi at the end. So let's see here. If we do this correctly, oops, sorry about the glare. 100 over 360 times 4 squared times pi. That gives me my answer, 40 pi over 9. That's what we call exact answers. That's what we want to make sure that we continue to do. Okay? Don't forget to put your units in there. What I have today for you guys with the homework is mainly, I think it's a little bit more of just the sector work, because the circles are pretty simple. But I have it where it's not multiple choice now. You have to actually draw the work on the screen and show your work. I have to see what you guys are about to put in. You need to show me what you're about to put into the calculator before you get your answer, so that way I know that you're doing this stuff correctly, and I can leave you guys feedback. So, once again, this week, my goal is to get through the area of the sector. I'm going to talk with Mr. Fontana here in a little bit about how much more we need to do in terms of geometric probability or similar figures with perimeters and areas. I don't know if that's something that we have to really get to via e-learning, so we'll just kind of play it by ear. And I'll see you guys later on. If you need anything, if you guys have any questions, just shoot me an email, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.